So it's wine time on the patio, and so for December I decided that I would be doing some suggestions, maybe some tips, some suggestions for different kinds of wines and beverages that you can enjoy during the holidays. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you a sparkling wine. I also share with you my Grinch shirt. But my sparkling wine is called Razzy Apple, and it's from Huber Winery here in Indiana, and it's a raspberry apple sparkling wine. So sparkling wine is like champagne, but we can't call it champagne unless it comes from Champagne, France. So we call it sparkling wine. So this is a raspberry apple flavored sparkling wine. So it's really kind of festive and fun for the holidays. I've already popped the official cork on it. This is a really cool cork though that helps keep the fizzy stuff in after you've opened your sparkling wine. So in fact, I'm going to pour this at an angle so we don't get too much fizz. So I'm pouring this into a flute glass. I love the flute glasses, and the reason flutes are fun for champagne and sparkling wines is because you get to see all the bubbles. So look at all the bubbles happening. It looks very festive. The bubbles stay active longer in a flute glass, and that's really the only reason we use flutes for champagne. It doesn't taste any different. It doesn't affect the taste like sometimes wine glasses do have an effect on the taste. It's not so with the flute glass, other than it just looks festive. So if you use a flute glass, the bubbles stay active longer in the glass than it does in the old coupe style glasses, which are the shallow bowl style, or really any other wine glass. So a lot of people just enjoy these because they look fun and festive and good for parties. Now, if for some reason you have some guests that aren't that into drinking sparkling wines, or maybe the flavor isn't to their liking, you can also do a spritzer with this. So what you do is you take your rocks glass with your ice in there, and then you can just put your sparkling wine into the rocks glass, and then you take some sort of lemon lime soda, Sprite, 7-Up, Fresca, you name it, whatever brand you happen to like, and you just add a little bit, and it just makes a spritzer drink. You can add the amount you want to sort of get the effect you want from the spritz, but it kind of just makes it a fun festive drink, and it's a little bit, softened down by the spritz of your Sprite or 7-Up drink. And so it is wine time on the patio. Happy holidays. Cheers.